Oi, careful eyes!
Temu's just landed. What have we got here today? But this come in a crispy packaging, as you can see. Bust it open. Get rid of that. Right, and we've got a bag. Oh, look at that. What's that say? You see that? What a nice little grey bag there. Oh, it comes in those different colours, apparently. I opted for this colour, I think. Oh, here we go. Right, it's in bubble wrap. Good sign. Oh, look, it's sealed again. Right, so here we go. Right. Get a pair of scissors actually and just gently pop that. There we go. So what we've got here, we've got a box. You've got a little vent, air vent, to let the air in and out. Little handles. That's nice, isn't it? Quite nice. I like that. Right, so let's pop it open. Oops. Nice rubber airtight seal. That's good. I've got one tray. Oh look! Okay. Right. I'll try and keep this in view. Yes, this is not microwavable. It's oven proof. So take that out. If you want to microwave food, you stick it in that. Let's have a look what you got. So you've got a little spoon and you've got two chopsticks. Right, you've got a lid on this bottom compartment. Oh look, and you've got another, oh my god, another container. That, so you know, if you want hot food, you know, stick it in that, pop it in there. If you want cold food or whatever, do whatever you want to do. That for the price. Oh, it's dishwasher safe. Pop that in. Where'd it go now? That one it. There you go. So you can have salads or whatever in there, and you can have your meats in there. Pop it in. Pop that over. Your airtight lid. Is that right? No, it's not the right way. That goes in. That doesn't matter, does it? Just do it that way, I suppose. Yeah, there you go. And you've got a nice little lunch box. That is pretty cool. Price? I quite like that. Right. Oh, hang on. There's more. There can't be more for that price. Have a look. Oh, it comes with a nice little lunch bag. Look at that. Nice little lunch bag. Oh. Seems like. So that's a bit. Oh, yeah, it spreads out. You can plop it in there. Like so. Price is like. It is what it is for the price. There you go. Look at that. Oh, you've even got a pocket, huh? You've even got a pocket. It's lunch bag brivalas, whatever it's called. There you go. See you then. There you go. Right, so there's the dimensions. That is a trendy little lunch box. Tell you what, I think I might buy myself one. Right, there you go.